Sunday reflections. Today's card is balance. It says steady as she goes. So balance is all about figuring out a schedule that works for you. Nothing is perfect. Do you think I'm perfect? No, absolutely not. This is a work in progress. But balance just means that even if there's one thing that you focus on to bring balance into your life, to make you feel good, then just do it. Make it happen. Make it happen because it's extremely, extremely important. My way of bringing balance into my day, every single day, no matter what, is my morning routine. I start my morning routine with I tap and I say my affirmations, and I have my water bottle open. So all my affirmations are going into the water. I'm releasing whatever needs to be released. And then my affirmations are positive. It's just, and I'm tapping the whole time. But while I'm doing that, and I'm also doing like a lymphatic drainage. So I get to certain points and I just do like a whole lymphatic drainage. So that's my balance. That's the way I balance myself. And if I don't do it, then I'm all over the place. I'm all over the place and scattered and here, there, and everywhere. So find your balance. Pick one thing. It's Sunday. So pick one thing that you can do this week to bring balance into your life. So see what happens and allow your animals to bring you into balance as well. So check out thedogmystic.com. Check out my YouTube, Sherry Marquez. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.